Welcome to another Binance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact customer support. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now go ahead and open up your Binance app. Now once you're in here, go head over to the top right. As you can see, we have this headphone icon. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you find Get Support. All right. Just tap on it. Now in here, you're going to want to type in your query, all right? Based on my experience, you'll have to type in chat with an agent, all right? Then basically wait for it until it gives you an actual agent, all right? As you can see here, that is the Binance Assistant bot. Another option to contact them is by opening up your favorite browser. Now go ahead and type in the URL box, Binance support, all right? Once done, just hit on go. And here in the first search result, as you can see here, we have the option for live chat. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on chat now. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.